Come on, Charlie.
And transfer more snow. It's a deal. President Trump signed a major budget bill in the
What's up, you guys? So today is Sunday. It's been a few days since that storm, since those videos that I showed you. And check out what I bought for $800. No rust, no Honda cancer back there on either side. The only thing it has that's bad is right here. I guess the previous owner started doing some body work right here. It's got a scuff right here and then some old Bondo right here. And it started to crack. That's what happens when you put your Bondo on too thick. It eventually cracks from all the vibrations. Another thing that it has is a small little bubble right here. The front bumper has a crack. I guess he must have hit something. And then it's got a small little dent with a little rust spot up there on the hood. The car runs perfect. No check engine light, no nothing. It's got a D16 Y7 block, short block, with the D16, I think it's the Y8 head. So it is VTEC, basically a mini-me swap. Has like a small little leak or something. There's a little bit of oil right here. I'm not sure what that's about. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up. It's got tints all the way around. Of course, 5-speed. I'm very excited for this. It's got a sunroof. Very excited for this project. And I already have a few plans for it. I'm thinking about getting some suspension and then start to prepare it so we can go turbo. So by prepare it, I mean get like stiffer motor mounts, get a few other items, prepare the car itself, maybe take out the back seats, drill some holes inside of it, get rid of metal brackets and anything we don't need in there, make it as light as possible. And then I'm thinking about going to the junkyard also and picking up another D16 motor, maybe the block, sending it to the machine shop, getting some Vitara pistons and getting a low compression setup so we can really boost this. I'm expecting at least 500 horsepower out of this next turbo setup that I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be doing the process of it all in the garage right here. Getting another VTEC head from the junkyard also. Sending it to the machine shop. I mean, just doing as much as I can to that motor so we could put as much horsepower down as we can. Aftermarket fuel pump, fuel lines, intake manifolds, I mean all kinds of stuff I'm already thinking of buying. I start my job tomorrow, Monday, and with this really good paying job I should be able to afford a whole bunch of stuff. Another thing, before we drop that motor in, I'm thinking about passing emissions first, making sure that I go to emissions. That way I won't have any problems once the turbo's in there, passing emissions. So that's going to be the end of this video. Respray it. Get some paint, respray it. But if you guys have any ideas or anything that I should do to this car, any suggestions, go ahead and post them up. Let me know what you guys think. For $800, you can't beat this, especially out here where I live. Thanks for watching. Peace.